Hello everyone, welcome back to Flavor of the World. Today we're going to explore a delicious and special dish from Southeast Asian cuisine, chicken curry. This dish is not only flavorful but also carries a long history, offering a perfect blend of spices and amazing taste. Join me as we uncover everything about this dish and why it's so popular around the world. You might think chicken curry belongs to just one country, but no. Chicken curry is like an international star in the world of cuisine. Born in India, but molded and adapted across the globe. Thousands of years ago, the people of India began using spices like turmeric, cumin, ginger, and cinnamon to create the alluring dish we know as curry. From there, this dish didn't stay within borders. It traveled through each country, blending into different cultures. When it reached Southeast Asia, chicken curry transformed into many exciting versions. In Thailand, it's rich and spicy with coconut milk. And in Vietnam, we've adapted it in our own unique way, mild, fragrant, and tightly woven into the memories of family meals. Vietnamese chicken curry is a perfect blend of local flavors and Eastern delicacies. The creamy coconut milk, the subtle fragrance of lemongrass and ginger, all come together to create a dish that is both familiar and unforgettable. Chicken curry isn't just food, it's a journey of flavor, a bridge between cultures, and a cherished memory in every family meal. And you, the one watching this video, are part of that journey too. So what ingredients do we need to make chicken curry? Let's explore. Chicken. Chicken is the main ingredient. You can use any part of the chicken depending on your preference, though typically free-range chicken is used for its firmer texture and richer flavor. Potatoes. Potatoes are an essential part of the dish, adding a nice texture and a sweet flavor to the curry, as well as thickening the sauce. Carrots. Carrots add a natural sweetness and vibrant color to the dish. Coconut milk. This ingredient is crucial as it provides a rich, creamy texture and balances out the spices. Curry spices. Curry spices are the heart of this dish. These include curry powder, turmeric, pepper, cinnamon, star anise, and cardamom. These spices create a deep, aromatic, and slightly spicy flavor profile. Lemongrass, ginger, garlic. These fresh ingredients bring a wonderful fragrance, making the dish more aromatic and pleasant. Onions and spring onions. Onions and spring onions are added for flavor and garnish at the end of the cooking process. Fresh herbs. Finally, fresh herbs like cilantro and mint are used for garnish, adding a touch of freshness. Now let's head to the kitchen to see how we can make chicken curry. Step 1. First, prepare the chicken by cutting it into bite-sized pieces. Then, sauté the chicken with garlic and onions to infuse the meat with flavor. Step 2. Next, add the carrots and potatoes to stir-fry together so that the ingredients blend well. However, in some countries like Vietnam and China, they prefer using sweet potatoes instead. It suits the taste of the locals here. It's up to you. You can use carrots and potatoes or cook it the Vietnamese and Chinese way with sweet potatoes. Step 3. Add curry powder, turmeric, and the other spices into the pot and mix everything together so the spices coat the chicken and vegetables. Step 4. Then pour in the coconut milk, bring it to a boil, and reduce the heat to simmer until the chicken is tender and the potatoes and carrots are cooked through. Step 5. Once the sauce has thickened and the ingredients are well cooked, adjust the seasoning to your taste. Finally, add lemongrass, ginger, and onions to finish the dish. Step 6. Once done, serve the chicken curry in a bowl, garnish with fresh herbs like cilantro and green onions, and enjoy it with steamed rice or crusty bread. Chicken curry is more than just a dish. It's a symbol of culinary harmony and cultural creativity. The perfect blend of fresh ingredients and bold spices captures the essence of culinary innovation, reflecting how diverse flavors can come together in one meal. Beyond its delicious taste, chicken curry embodies the spirit of togetherness. It's a dish that brings families and friends closer, sharing moments of warmth and connection around the table. Especially during colder days or festive occasions, the comforting aroma of chicken curry fills the air, turning any meal into a heartwarming celebration. This dish is not just about food, it's about creating memories, embracing tradition, and celebrating the joy of shared experiences. Chicken curry is a reminder that food, at its best, nourishes not only the body but also the soul. Chicken curry is not only popular in Vietnam, but also widely loved in many other countries such as Thailand, India, and Malaysia, each having its own unique version. In India, chicken curry is an essential part of daily meals, with strong spices creating a bold, spicy flavor. In Thailand, chicken curry is often made with coconut milk and spices unique to Thai cuisine. Today, chicken curry has become an international dish, beloved not just in restaurants but also made in homes all over the world. It is a dish that continues to be explored and reinvented in creative ways, adapting to the tastes of different regions. And that's a wrap on our journey through the rich, flavorful world of chicken curry, a dish that's not just food, but a story in every bite. I hope you'll give it a try and discover for yourself what makes this dish so unforgettable. If you love this flavor-packed adventure, don't miss out on the next one. Hit that subscribe button and join us on Flavor of the World for more mouth-watering dishes from every corner of the globe. Wishing you all delicious meals and unforgettable moments around the table. And hey, share this video with your friends and family. Let's spread the love for great food. See you in the next video. It's going to be even tastier.